All I'm going to do, Elena, is flip up your eyelid, and it's going to be a little scratchy. It's making your eyes water a little. The second application is easier to make it darker or make it heavier because you're doing a tattoo to a tattoo. Yeah, oh, pretty. Oh, it makes your eyes look really bright. She's got nice brows, but they're very thin, and so all I'm going to do is give her a little bit of body and shadowing underneath her own eyebrows so that she won't have to use a pencil unless she wants to have a more dramatic eyebrow. Brows should really frame your eyes, make your eyes look brighter, but not be the focal point when you walk into a room. The brows are going to look darker for the first 4 days, and then they get slightly scaly, and you can't pick them. You just have to kind of leave them alone, let them flake off, and they'll be 50% lighter once they fade out. The goal is so that they're not solid once they're healed. And then she can make that decision when she comes back. If she likes a more solid eyebrow, of course, then I can make them that way. But I like to see them a little bit light and airy so that you see skin in them where they look more natural than having them too solid. I don't believe in putting black or gray into brows. So the lighter the color, the less longevity. So anytime 1 to 3 years, normally people do retouch them, do a little maintenance on them, but it beats having to draw them on every morning.
Yeah.
You know, when you think about 1 to 3 years is a pretty long time. Do you like your eyebrows a little bit darker in the front, or do you like them to start out a little bit lighter? And
I do a lighter to dark.
yeah, that's what I think looks nice too. And if you study like a lot of the celebrities' eyebrows, that's how they look. A lot of people actually like their eyebrows right out of the chair, and they're kind of sad when they do fade, you know, but at least you know when you come back, you know, how much darker and solid you want them. Okay, so we'll do the other side now. I always do eyebrows sitting up because you don't lay down on the bed to put your makeup on in the morning, and you want gravity going the right way, especially when people have one eyebrow that's higher than the other. So you like to hike that one. You like to hike that eyebrow. That's your expression brow. Think of this application as we're laying down a foundation. And then when you come back, we're going to fine tune it. Because everything looks so dramatic when you get out of the chair. More like, I call it party makeup, but you like makeup, so I don't think you're going to think it's too much.